Hey guys, welcome to the Tech Source. So today we are not doing a regular news video. We wouldn't be so we're not covering the ATI 6990 and how it's the fastest video card right now. We're not covering the new iPad 2 that got released last week. What else got come out? I don't know, things like that. Or Geneva Auto Show. Actually, no, wait, we don't do cars. Oops. Anyways, so I'm gonna be doing a video on just a time-lapse video of me building a computer. Kind of interesting and a little different, right? So basically the computer we're going to be building is a budget system. I built it for a friend. We were looking between the $550 range to $600 Canadian. So this is what we came up with. AMD Athlon xKore 640 processor, 3 gigahertz, and it has 2 megs of cache. Great processor. I use this for one of my systems I have around my house. Works great for that. Runs Surge House and 8. It's really fast. We got 4 gigs of G-Skill memory. It's DDR3 1600 CL9 1.5 volts. Not bad memory. I use this for a lot of systems I build actually. My dad's system I just built uses that. For power supply, I got a Corsair CX600 watt power supply. We already unboxed this and checked this out. So annotation right around here, right there. Anyways, nice power supply, all sleeved, nice finish, and it's like heavy. And like my Thermaltake Tough Power, I don't know if you guys can see it, this one right here. That's a really high quality power supply too, but that's really old as well. So this is like 80 plus efficient, cool stuff like that. But it is a little overkill for the system because the system I could have ran it off 500 watts or even less. But it was on sale, so it was the same price as the power supply I was originally going to get. So why not upgrade? Future-proof the system more. Cool, Gigabyte motherboard we got. It's a micro ATX. I do a lot of systems with micro ATX motherboards. Nothing wrong with them. They're cheaper. They got all the same features as a full ATX minus Crossfire and things like that. So most people don't really use that, and save a bit of money going with micro ATX motherboards. And yeah, that's about it. So I don't know. It's a nice motherboard. The 880 GMA UD2H, 6-core ready, things like that. I don't know. It's a motherboard. It was cheap. It's cheaper than the Asus, and the Asus, the only different feature it had was USB 3, I think. So that's all right. And what we're doing to power its gamingness, I guess. The PowerColor Radeon 5770 video card. Now I've used these video cards for about 3 systems in the past. I love them. They're great. My friend has one of these. He likes it. Works great. Plays a lot of games. Plays all the games actually. And it's faster than the GTS 450, which I was going to pick originally. I wanted a 460 because I know those are really good cards for the price, but it was another $20 and we didn't want to put that in the budget. So whatever. So we got this, and that was a good deal. Did I talk about the hard drive? We got a 500 gig Western Digital hard drive. We got a front Yachtloon fan that's 47 CFM it pushes, so that's cool. And the DVD drive, I thought it was SATA, but it was ATA. That sucks. But anyways, we're already looking at 3 minutes 15 seconds for this damn intro. Let's get building. Stick around.
sound with a rude boy thing. Come on.